Okay, we're gonna teach you how to replace this screen. Okay, it was damaged and we just fixed it recently. What you have to do is take the screws out. There are 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, well, once you take this out, this particular frame comes out. And you got a bar from here to here that is basically sitting there supporting that. Real easy to come out if you need to. Also, this frame is being held together by this screen. So if you take the screen out, the rectangle that you're dealing with right here, if there's an issue with it, is old, it may come out and fall apart. That happened to me, and I used super glue, and I put it back together because I knew once I put the screen in, the screen will hold the frame together. Then if you look right here, you got these little plastic cord that is in this little rail, and you just simply pull it out. Okay, you just pull it out like that, and once you pull it out, the screen will come out. You can go buy this screen from the big box store like Home Depot here in the United States, and they sell them like this. You put it on the frame and you get this rubber back in. You can use a dull knife, the butter knife without the edge, to push this thing in. Okay, once you push it in, it will hold that screen and you're done. You put the frame back on, but it's basically like that. You put it in. Now, some of the trick you can use is what I do is I do this side and this side without anybody helping me. But then when I go to the opposite side, which is the upper part, I have somebody pull on it to make it tight. And I had my 6-year-old helping me just pull on this screen to be tight. Otherwise your screen comes out loose. And then I put the rubber on it, this rubber seal on it, by pushing it in. And if you pull on it, it will be tight. It doesn't need to be a perfect job. As you can see, I didn't do a perfect job, but it's working perfectly because it's not under a stress really. And it will last a long time. Now the way they break is my child pushes against the screen to open this door. So this is how he does it. And that eventually will destroy the screen. Now at the end of the project, you get a blade like this or any other blade. You put it right here and you go down, press down to cut the extra. You see these extras right here? If I was to cut it, I just put it against here and pull, and that will take the extras out. So you go all the way around to take the excess out. You put this on, and then you use the blade to take the excess out. Good luck. It's an easy project, easier than getting gas on a vehicle. Don't be intimidated at all. Easy project. Good luck.